In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a discount on an eBay listing by setting up bundle discounts for customers who purchase multiple items. To get started, open eBay and sign into your seller account. Once you're logged in, go to the top left corner, hover over your account name and select Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, find the Selling section and click Seller Account. This is where eBay keeps the account level settings that control options for your listings and sales promotions. When the seller account page loads, look to the panel on the left, find the selling accordion, click it to expand the available settings, and then choose bundle discounts. Quick side note, for more practical eBay selling tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. On the bundle discounts page, turn the feature on by selecting the On Radio button. This enables multi-item discounts across eligible listings, giving buyers an incentive to add more products to their order. You'll now see discount options for buy 2 and save, buy 3 and save, and buy 4 or more and save. Next to each option, open the drop-down field and choose the discount you want to offer at that quantity. You can set different discounts for each tier, so larger purchases can receive a better saving if that fits your promotion. Once you've selected the discounts you want, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added bundle discounts to your eBay listings.